Under the summer sky at Greyhound Hollow, the stage was set. From above, the energy was unmistakable: focus, determination, and pride. Statesville FC in their inaugural season, preparing for battle. The whistle blew, and the fight began. Every pass, every tackle, every shot, a reflection of the heart that built this team. Greenville United stood tall, but Statesville FC refused to back down. When the final whistle sounded, the scoreboard read 1-1, a draw on paper, but a victory in spirit. Because with this result, Statesville FC has done what few achieve in their first season. They've clinched a playoff berth. Now, the focus shifts to Wednesday night, July 1st, 7 p.m. at Greyhound Hollow. Statesville faces Bristol Rhythm, a battle for the next chapter. The lights will shine, the crowd will roar, and the journey continues. Congratulations to the herd. The playoffs await.